Hello, in this video I want to show you how to undo character delete in Diablo 4. And to do this, keep in mind that you can only do it right after you deleted the character, and in this, I'm just going to showcase that on this one. So I'm going to delete this guy like that. And right here at the bottom we can see undo character delete, and we need to press on R and then undo delete. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.